Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. It's Cookmas Day 9 and we are making another beverage recipe. We are making some yummy Grinch juice. I made this juice last year for my niece and nephew and they loved it. Now of course if you want to make it with a twist, you can definitely add some good liquor to it. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know and let's whip it up. This recipe is super quick and easy, so for the main green Grinch, I have some green Hawaiian punch, Sprite, or you can also use ginger ale, and some pineapple orange juice. Alright, I'm going to give my punch a good shake, and into my beverage dispenser, I want to go in with half of this bottle. Now I'm going to go in with my pineapple orange juice. I'll be using 3 cans, and these are 6-ounce cans, so if you're using a bottle, just use 18 ounces. Now I'm going to go in with my fizzy Sprite. I used a half a bottle. Then I'll give it a stir and a taste test. And then I'll top it off with a little more Sprite. Alright guys, that's it. Let's get our glass looking cute so we can pour some up. So to make it look cute and fancy, I have some red sparkling sugar here. I'm just going to pour a little onto a plate. To help the sugar stick to the glass, I'm going to line the rim with some lemon juice. You can also use lime or orange juice. Our glass is perfect. Let's throw in some ice cubes and pour it up. Our Grinch juice is complete, so when you guys make that Christmas punch, make sure you make this one too for the kids table, okay? Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe, follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in tomorrow's video in Cookmas Day 10.